So that means now we will be talking about a little bit about that ones, the what is Java JDK, JRE and JVM. And you see that JRE is the implementation of JVM, Java Virtual Machines, and JDK, Java Development Kit, is the core component of Java environments and provide all tools, all executables and binaries required to compile, debug, and execute your program code. So this is the things you need to be download from the internet, and it's containing all the tools that you need to run or to run and compile and execute your programs. Doesn't matter how big is the programs, how millions of lines of programs, you just simply execute the programs. That JDK will handle everything. We can say that the JDK is a superset of JRE, since it contains JRE in the, you see the word like that way. So it is superset of JRE, it containing the Java compiler and debugger and core classes. That means when we install the Java, means we download the JDK, we install the JDK. That means our JVM and our programming environments is getting ready. Like it has a compiler, it has a debugger, it has a core classes or core functionalities of APIs for Java programming. So, and then Java virtual machines is abstract machines. It is a specification that provide runtime environments. You see, this is where Java bytecode can be executed. So JVM is responsible. Java bytecode can be executed via the JRE. JVM are available for many hardware software platforms. So it's depending which platform or which type of hardware and software you try to install, what you try to implement or configure your application, depending on the devices, like your laptop or your mobile devices or smart devices. That means all devices has a possibility to configure, install, and then the JVM. So there is JVM. Without JVM, you cannot run nothing in the Java programming or any JRE or SDK. That's what I mean. So JVM perform mainly loading the code, verify the code. This is most important. What is doing JVM? Loading code, verify code. If you have an error, so it load the code and compile, verify the code is everything is perfect. Execute code, provide runtime environments, and this is then after it's hand over the JRE and JDK will our core APIs or core functionalities. So SDK is software development kit. This is everybody knows is with that one, software development kit. And you have the really abstract information. What's the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM? JDK, JRE, and JVM is a core concept of Java programming. This is really most important sentence of the. So without those, Java development kit, Java runtime environment, and Java virtual machines, this is the core components or core foundations of the Java programming languages. You need to be if it's still not clear from our side, you can Google it and get it really clear pictures what it means and how. If you get really clear pictures, then you can it helps to understanding your further Java programming. If you get it clearly and you know everywhere how you compile your source code and the byte level to the compile, you can get the idea how to compile it to your source code, and it is transformed as a byte, and then it's hand over to the JRE and JDK, and your program is executed. That's I mean, this is really most important keyword, or not the keyword, most important concept you need to be clearly understand. So please, if it's not still clear, Google it and get really clear pictures. So JDK, Java Development Kit, is the development purpose, whereas JRE is the runtime, running the Java programming. So JRE is running the Java programming, and this is the JDK, Java Development Kit. That means everything is the development purpose, JDK JRE both containing the JVM, Java Virtual Machine, so that you can run our Java program or use Java programs. That's I mean. JVM is the heart of Java. The Java Virtual Machine is the heart of Java programming. Provide the platform independence. That means it doesn't matter which platform you running your applications. Is it smart devices, is laptop or any and desktops, or it doesn't matter which devices. It's a platform independent. It doesn't matter which OS systems you are using, Linux or Windows or Mac or other operating systems. It's a really cross-platform and platform independent uh, programming language or hard JVM you can install anywhere. That's what I mean. Install the JVM, there is JRE, there is JDK, and then depending on what type of application you try to use, if you try to application, right, there's standard editions that is still there. If you try to implement the application, web application with Java EE, still there, and ME, there is a mini version of the all things, JDK, JRE, and JVM. That's the idea. So you got the pictures. If you try to program with Java, you need to clearly understand what type of Java you are trying to use it, or you need it, or in the professional day, it's Java SE, Java EE, or Java ME. And if it's clear you side, then you can think about those concepts, those core concepts like JDK, JRE, JVM. And then now our fundamentals, our ideas and concept clear, we need what type of Java you try to use, or you in a professional life, then what type of the concept you need. This is the three things you need to be really clearly understand. Then if you got it, then you can go to the installation process. So installation process, I will try to continue the further screencast that we are talking about, but I will try to give it to you really clear the theoretical idea. So that's everybody knows Java programming. That means Java is object-oriented programming. Then it has own characters or all own object-oriented characters or approach or properties or natures of the property, or it has own design pattern as a object-oriented programming. So we will go every part of your programming. We will start really hello world applications when we install the JDK and start the Java hello world programs with the main class main methods, and then we will go from really basic level. So just follow the channels what we have it, and then we will continue further. So basically in the Java programming, object-oriented programming, object is a state, behavior, identity, and unique JVM, classes, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction in encapsulation. This is the fundamental concept and idea of the object-oriented programming. That's I said we will go every steps of every single line of variables level to the methods and class and all things, all inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. We'll go everything in detail. So this is our presentation part. We will continue for the installations and starting the Java programming and discuss every part of the programming, Java programming concept from SC, EE, ME, basically SC and ME for this screencast. So now I like to give it to you. Thank you, those who are the beginners and the freshers and the students. Please subscribe the channels and write down your comments where you didn't get properly. We will try our best to come up to share with you our ideas, and even though you can write down your comments and ideas into the channels, then we believe we can do best job with you all of them. So now I say bye bye, goodbye, and see you later. Bye bye.